Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey together as we explore the world of web development. In this video, we'll be diving into the creation of a powerful URL shortening application using the Laravel and Vuejs frameworks. Hi, I'm passionate about building web applications that are not only functional but also user-friendly and visually appealing. Throughout this series, I'll be sharing my knowledge and guiding you step by step in creating this fantastic web app. Before we jump into the code, let's take a moment to understand what a URL shortening application is all about. Have you ever come across long, complicated URLs that are challenging to remember or share? That's where URL shortener comes in handy. URL shorteners take those lengthy web addresses and transform them into concise and more manageable links. This not only saves characters when sharing on social media platforms like Twitter, but also improves the overall user experience. To make our app interactive and dynamic, we'll integrate Vuejs, a JavaScript framework that excels in creating beautiful user interfaces. Vuejs will handle the front-end interactions, enabling our users to input URLs, generate shortened links, and manage their URLs effectively. Throughout this series, we'll cover various topics, including routing, form handling, database management, and more. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of Laravel and Vuejs and be able to create your own powerful web application. So, if you're ready to dive into the exciting world of web development and build an impressive URL shortening application, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join me in the upcoming videos. Together, we'll unlock the potential of Laravel and Vuejs. And by the end of this series, you'll have a fantastic URL shortener app to call your own. So let's get started on this amazing journey together. Thank you for joining me in this introduction video. I can't wait to see you at the next one as we start coding our URL shortening app using Laravel and Vuejs. Until then, happy coding.